Hello student, welcome back to nice Math Olympiad problem. In this problem, we are finding value of x if x into 3 minus x into 2 is equal to 48. Now we are writing x into 3 minus x into 2 is equal to 48. Now this will be x into 3 minus x square is equal to 64 minus 16. In next step, this will be x into 3 minus x into 2 is equal to 4 into the power 3 minus 4 into power of 2, because 64 is equal to 4 into power 3 and 16 is equal to 4 into power 2. So in next step, this will be x into power 3 minus x into power 2 minus 4 into power 3 plus this 4 into power 2 is equal to 0. This move into this side. Now we write x into power 3 minus 4 into power 3 minus this x square, and now this x into power 3. 4 square is equal to 0. Now this will be x into power 3 minus 4 into power 3 minus x into power 2 minus 4 into power 2 is equal to 0. In next step, we use this formula: a into power 3 minus b into power 3 is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and this will be our second formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we apply this formula here and here, and we get first x minus 4 into a square is x square plus 4x plus 16 minus into x plus 4 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this x minus 4 and this x minus 4, this will be x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16 minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x minus 4 to x square plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. And now inside this side, we will solve this side. X minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4, and now we're solving this side. X square plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we use x is equal to minus b into plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This will be x is equal to minus 3 minus 4 into 1 into c is equal to 12 divided by 2 into 1. Now x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 48. 3 square is 9. 4 into 12 is 48 divided by 2. Now we solve this 48 minus 9 and we write same x is equal to minus 3 plus and minus under the root 48 minus 9 is minus 39 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus under the root of 39, and this will be iota, and our x is equal to 4, and x2 is equal to minus 3 plus under the root 39 iota. X3 is equal to minus 3 minus under the root 39 iota. Now we are solving our equation, our x, and our question is x into 3 minus x into 2 is equal to 48. Now we are verifying this. We are putting value of x is equal to 4. 4 into 3 minus 4 into 2. Now this 4 into 3 is also equal to 64, and this minus 4 into 2 is equal to 16 is equal to 48. Now 64 minus 16 is also 48 is equal to 48. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now our answer is verified and our value of x is equal to 4. Hope you will understand. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for Olympiad math problem, and our x is equal to 4. This is our simple and final solution.